Devin, I've been putting on a few pounds, and you're quite a lean, fit guy.
Well, thank you.
What do you recommend? Like, what can I do to lose weight?
Well, I exercise a lot. I go running at least 3 times a week, but more than that, I enjoy playing sports.
Uh-huh.
And so, different sports use different muscles, and all of it helps to lose that weight that you might have gained.
Yeah. Well, actually, one of the problems is I actually exercise a lot.
Do ya?
Yeah, so maybe it's my diet.
It could be. And so in that case, you might want to eat something perhaps more nutritious,
Yeah.
or maybe even less of what you do eat.
Yeah.
Maybe I eat 3 meals a day, and I try not to snack in between.
Yeah.
No potato chips, no popcorn, no candy bars.
That's pretty tough.
It is tough, but, well, I must admit I cheat every once in a while, but...
Okay, I'll give it a try. Okay, actually, wait. See, my problem is I like junk food.
Mm-hmm.
So if I have to choose, either I eat less or I eat a better diet.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think is more important?
I think that if you're exercising, then you should just eat what you want and eat less.
Eat less?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is going to be tough.
Well, I have no doubt that you'll do the best that you can.
All right. Thanks a lot, Devin.
Mm-hmm.